Looking for reliable laptop repair in Bonita Springs? We've got you covered with fast and dependable service right at your doorstep. Bonita Springs Laptop Repair Service. We offer quality repairs at your home or office. Our experts handle everything from broken screens to slow performance. Get a free Bonita Springs Laptop Repair Service. Quote today. Discover how easy and affordable it is to fix your laptop. Whether it's a broken screen or sluggish performance, we fix it all. Call us now at 239-387-1900 to get started. Our experts come to you, providing convenience and care at your home or office. Experience hassle-free service with a personal touch. Enjoy affordable Bonita Springs laptop repair service costs with no hidden fees. We believe in transparent pricing for all our customers. We offer fast turnaround times so you can get back to work quickly. Your time is valuable, and we respect that. Trustworthy service with years of experience in laptop repair. Our skilled technicians ensure your device is in good hands. Contact us now at 239-387-1900 for your Bonita Springs laptop repair service. Visit Bonita Springs Laptop Repair Service.com to learn more about our services. Don't wait, call today.